Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to fix we could not locate your passkey error in Binance. So make sure to follow till the end. So the very first thing is you're going to need to create your passkey nicely, and for that you're going to need to head over to your profile. Once you are there, you can see we need to click on to our this section on the top and click on security. Once you head over to your security, here you have your passkey, and in there make sure you add authenticator. Once you set that, you should be able to get your passkey every time you are making a transaction or any type of transfer. So that should not be making any issue. Now if you're still facing any type of issues, if you have the passkey, then you need to create it like I showed you. You can do that on your PC as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.